Hello children, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss the problems given in exercise 2.2. So before that we can consider one example. Now look at, find the sum by suitable rearrangement. Find the sum by suitable rearrangement. Add the numbers 103, 234 and 197. Here we have to add the numbers. Therefore, we can write 103 plus 234 plus 197. Now look at here, the question is you have to arrange the numbers and you have to find the sum by suitable rearrangement. Now look at here. When you add 3 and 4, what you will get? You will get 7. The last digit as 7. Here we have to get the last digit as 0. So which all numbers you have to consider? If you consider 103 and 234, when you add 3 and 4, you will get the sum as 7 only. But when you consider 3 and 7, what is the sum of 3 and 7? 3 plus 7 equal to 10. So the last digit will be 0. So we can select the numbers which are convenient to add. So you have to select the numbers in such a way that which are convenient to add. So we can consider 103 and 197 first. So we will write 103 plus 197, then put the bracket because we are considering those two numbers first, plus 234. Now when we add the last digits of 103 and 197, you will get 3 plus 7 equal to 10. Okay. So now look at here, 103 plus 197. 7 plus 3 equal to 10, carry over 1, 9 plus 1, 10, again carry over 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So here you will get it as 300, 300 plus 234. Now we can easily add it, okay. Then 4 plus 0, what you will get? 4, then 3 plus 0, you will get it as 3, then 2 plus 3 equal to 5. So the answer is 534. Or you can write it and you can add it, 300 plus 234 equal to then 4, then 3 plus 0 3, 3 plus 2 equal to 5. So the answer is 534. So the method is we have to select the numbers which are convenient to add. Now come to this problem, exercise 2.2. Question number 1. Find the sum by suitable rearrangement. Now we have to arrange the numbers and we have to find the sum. Now look at that. When we add 7 and 8, what will be the sum? 15. Okay, the last digit is not 0. But when you add 837 and 363, the last digit, here it is 7, here it is 3. Therefore, 7 plus 3 equal to 10. So, 7 plus 3 equal to 10. So, we can consider these two numbers in one group. Therefore, 837 plus 363 in one group plus 208. Then equal to 837 plus 363. We have to add 7 plus 3 equal to 10, carry over 1, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 1 equal to 10, again carry over 1, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 3 equal to 12. So 1200. So the sum equal to 1200 plus 208. Now look at the last two digits, last two digits are zeros. Then it is easy to add these two numbers. So 1200 plus 208. Now add it. 8 plus 0, 8, then again 0, 2 plus 2, 4, and here 1. So the sum equal to 1408. 1408. Or you can add the last digits, 8 plus 0, then 0 plus 0, then 2 plus 2, 4, then again 1. You can add in that way, or you can write it and add it there. Now here we have 4 numbers. 1962 plus 453 plus 1538 plus 647. So the last digit you have to get as 0. So which all numbers you have to consider? If you consider these two numbers, 2 plus 3, what you will get? 5 only. But when you consider the first one and third one, 8 plus 2, what is 8 plus 2? 10. The last digit you are getting as 0. So we can consider those two numbers together. 1962 plus 1538 in one group. Then the remaining two numbers, look at that, 453 and 647. Now add 3 and 7, what you will get? 3 plus 7 equal to 10. So we can combine those two numbers. Therefore plus 453 plus 647. Now equal to 1962 plus 1538. 8 plus 2, 10, carry over 1. 6 plus 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. Again carry over 1. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 5 equal to 15. Carry over 1. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So the first sum you will get as 3500. Then plus next one, 453 plus 647. 7 plus 3, 10. Carry over 1. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Again carry over 1. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So 1100. 1100. Now equal to, we can do it easily. 0 plus 0, what you will get? 0. Again 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 5, 6. 1 plus 3, 4. So the sum is equal to 4600. Or you can write it and add it. Okay. 3500 plus 1100. 0. Again 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 1, 6. 4. 3 plus 1 equal to 4. So the answer is 4600. So that is all for today's class. Thank you.